get a stick.
I'm saying I forgot to stick. I thought I had it in my bag.
I love you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good morning. Oh my God. It is officially Saturday. Halloween. It is Halloween, y'all. And it's been a long week. But we have a Halloween party to go to. I have groceries to pick up in another few minutes. They're about to email me or text me, whichever one, from Walmart. Look, really, I haven't even made up my bed yet. Look, it's back there. It's just been a long week. I had a lot going on, a lot doctor's appointments going on. Oh yeah, but it's officially Saturday, and I'm about to get this little one some breakfast and go from there. Also, ooh. Oh crap. Can y'all see? Don't fall. Just don't fall. Just don't fall. Because I'm like, yeah. Oh, perfect. Oh God. Gotta take the little one to go get costumes. Get the oldest one his mask. He don't wear a costume, but get him a mask. Got my costume together. Let me see what else I had going on. Did a bunch of videos, skits for TikTok. Oh, those were great. They still going pretty good. If you guys have not seen any of my skits, go, I don't know, first of all, you need an account on TikTok to even get on there, so I don't know, but if you want to, I'll leave the information down at the bottom, which is mi.shelly, SHELLY 16. That's me on TikTok. So if you guys want to see that, we created a scary, spooky kind of person being at my house, ended up in the front yard. Just a few nice, you know, Halloween skits. And other than that, just, you know, just being entertained. But it's one of those kind of mornings. I ain't gonna say morning, it's 12 o'clock in the day. Why is this counter still sticky? But other than that, like I said, I will be getting ready for a Halloween party tonight. It's at 8. My daughter's going. My grandsons, they're going to their dad's house, so they're not going to be able to attend. My boys are going, and like I said, and I will leave, try to add in the, you know, little clips of us getting ready, or probably not even getting ready, just showing our costume. I'm going to try if I can vlog at the party. If not, you know, it's all fine and good too, because, you know, I don't want to be pushing a camera in people's face. Oh my God, where's my... Hey guys, I'm on my way to go and pick up my groceries. They, I do the order online and go pick it up. So that's what I'm heading to go get. I know I got my bonnet on, but look, I'm going right up the street. And I love that. I've been doing that grocery online pickup for maybe over a year now or so. And I love it. Pretty much I'm just ordering my stuff. I know they have the one where you can deliver, but I like to, you know, stretch my legs and stuff. I don't want to be, you know, like that. But here go, I'm gonna go, and I usually order my stuff. I would bulk, always order bulk at Walmart and pick my groceries up. You know, it's very convenient for me. I ain't gotta worry about going inside the store and buying more than I'm not supposed to be buying. That's what I like about it, because you know, when you go in the store, it's like, you know, oh, you gotta browse here, oh, I remember this, oh, I gotta get this, oh, I gotta get that, you know what I'm saying? So you up and down the doggone store. So that knocks that out for me, you know, making me spend unnecessary money when I don't have to. Then I'm gonna come back here, pack that stuff up. It's gonna be a lot, so I'm not even gonna show you guys all that kind of stuff. But before I come back, I'm gonna run into McDonald's, get them kids something to munch on, because like I said, we going to a Halloween party later. I'm gonna go back in the house, straighten up a little bit, and then go from there. And that'll be it pretty much for the, my day.
There goes my stuff in.
Hey, you think he works out?
Very much. I can see it already.
Hey,
Stick it
Christina,
out.
I love you. Put it on the side. I put my truck over there.
Well, I hated this one.
Nah,
You wear a stick.
I
forgot the stick. I thought I had it in my bag.
love your outfit.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Did you try the Snoop Dogg drink?
Yeah.
It tastes like shit, right?
Nah.
Strawberry garbage.
Yeah.
Strawberry garbage. Strawberry trash.
Yeah,
Garbage.
flavored.
Strawberry throw it away.
Yeah. Snoop was crushed up on that.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just
Do they have a fire out there?
It just doesn't taste
They
good.
do.
Look, you want some good gin?
Here.
Do they have a fire out there?
This is good
Do
gin.
they have a fire out there?
I see one.
Deshaun said he wanted to get marshmallows roasted.
Try that. That's a reposado.
I tried to help
That's
you
a
out.
sweet tequila. Look, he knows.
I don't know. I thought I had to stick in the
Eat
bag.
the worm. Eat the worm.
No, see,
The mezcal, yeah.
for his birthday, I bought him a bottle of mezcal. That worm's still in there.
And that's all you drunk?
That's all he drank. He's not a very big.
I don't drink just to drink.
I don't drink.
Oh, my bad. I drink
That's pretty
to
good.
just drink.
It's
People.
got,
Those I'm trying to like get
floral
like
notes.
hammered.
The only reason is because alcoholism runs pretty deep in my family, so I'm not trying to.
So
Oh,
anyway,
gotcha.
where's your dad and your big titty mom?
Oh, yeah.
No,
I
that's
told you.
This man.
They don't do shit.
You know what's funny is like when I was talking to your dad today, he mentioned your mom.
Election day.
No, we still have school on, yeah, we still have school. It's not a holiday. It's not going to be a holiday, but on the 11th, it's going to be a holiday because it is Veterans Day. Good day, everybody. It is the day after Halloween, Sunday. I hope everyone had a great Halloween. We had a great time. Good old nice Halloween. Thanks to my homie Fee for putting on her husband, for putting that on again, once again, for the 2020. You know, so we're gonna keep it going. It was great. We had a great time. Now I'm about to show him back there in his on his iPad and with his fries. Deshaun, you had a great time at Fee's house? You did? You got a lot of candy, right? Yeah, he down there on his iPad. But anyway, I'm about to make some, I'm about to make dinner. So I'll, you know, show you guys a quick step on that. Nothing to, you know, I'm not gonna give, you know, go all into detail, but, you know, I'm gonna just give y'all from, you know, not really a start to finish, but just show you what it was and what it became. Okay, so stay tuned for that. So we are working with this guy right here. Him right here. And I'm adding my lemon juice, my vinegar. I'm going to add in some lemon juice just to clean my chicken. I'm gonna go from this. And that is the end of my vlog. Actually, while I was vlogging, I was doing TikTok. I was on TikTok live, so it would have been done faster. But anyways, once again, I am done with dinner, and yeah, so this was a week of a lot. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and smash that notification bell so that you do not, you don't miss an upload from me. So once again, it's your girl Miss Senseless, and I'm out.